Alright guys, so here we are. Time to pack the Coolbox. You know you're nearly on your way when you get to pack the Coolbox, right? So here we go. So, some staples. We've got some steak, some bacon, some Coke, and then hidden around the corner, must-haves. Beers for after the long drive. So, frozen bait wise, good old-fashioned mackerel. Put those in. Some squid and his baits, it looks like they've come from. Some finest jumbo king prawns. If we don't catch anything, we'll eat them. What else we got? Oh, I thought we had more than this. A couple of sand eels, some bluey, I don't know about razors. I don't have to bother with razors. I'll take one razor. You never know, do you? You never know. We are doing Cornwall and then we're going down to where we're going, Eastbourne. So we're going to start a hotel in Eastbourne and have a go anyway. Right, so that's the frozen baiting. Some steak, bacon, some Cokes, some beers, so there we go. I'm just going to put a couple of these in some thermos blocks for good luck, really. I have actually got, I don't know how to put it in there. I will, I'll get it. I've got some lug. In a bag. There we go, all packed and ready to rock. So join myself and Linsey now, we're down in Cornwall. We are at a place called Sharrows Point. As you can see behind me, absolutely stunning. We had to mountain goat it a bit actually to get down. It was a bit of a trek, bit of a mission. Linsey behind us. And then up there is our very own lifeguard, which is fantastic. Nice and safe on the rocks. Good to go. So I'm going to do a bit of spinning. Not round like I am at the minute. Going to do a bit of spinning for some bass. Linsey, I don't know what she's up to, but she's got a tripod out. But we'll soon see. I'll get you back when we've got some action going. Right, climbing down these rocks, a little bit precarious. Got my Puma suedes on, not ideal. That's a little sidewinder lure, I don't know if you can see that, guys. Little sidewinder, bought it down in the loo about half hour ago. So we'll give it a go. Look at that water. It's incredible, isn't it? Makes you want to dive in. Dive in, yes. Fall in, no. Although Mr. Lifeguard is on standby. In the new spot, guys, anyway. Beautifully clear. I want to launch it over there, but I don't want to lose it either. That's because I'm tight. There's little fish, follow it in. But there's little ones, there's got to be big ones, right? That's where I want it, over there. I can see little garfish. Lost lure number 1. Cast it into that swirling water over there, straight into a rock. Lucky, I've got 4 more. Back in a bit. Now I've got the mission. Climbing up this. A bit close to the sea really for my liking. Lucky I've got the pumas. Here we go. Right guys, I'm feeling guilty. I'm not condoning the use of puma suades on rocks for fishing. That was silly of me to say. I don't want anyone to do it, obviously. It's not big, it's not clever, it's just what I've got on at the minute. So let it be said, wear proper footwear when rock fishing. Don't be an idiot like me and come out rock fishing, see an opportunity and don't have the right gear. Looks fantastic though, doesn't it? Look at it. Second lure is on. That's where I want to cast to, between over there, right? But I know that I will lose my lure as I get it here. So I might have a little look and see if I can get across there. Might be a bit of mission mountain goat style climbing by field to get up on there, but we'll give it a go. Back in a bit. Made a meal of that. There's Linsey lit up there. Yep. This doesn't look too good for me. I'm not about to do a lot here. I'll give it a cast. See what happens. Just a bit tight here. It's a nice turbulent water, but I'm not feeling it. I can't see. So I'm out of here. Back to where I was a few minutes ago. Slightly different rock. Those of you who are paying attention would know. Come on, if I was a fish, I'd eat it. There again, if it was a Big Mac, I'd be in after it. There is little garfish down there. I can see them swimming around. You guys probably don't get that on, but there's definite garfish action. Only tiny. Hopefully mum is around, right? They do like it. They sort of swim up. Good recovery field, almost a rockfish. Come on, come to daddy. Good. Linsey's just thrown a lure at me. Huh? Yeah. So she got her lure stuck, waited for something, some heavenly intervention, and it come back and nearly smacked me in the face.